Hey guys, I'm here with Nick Licata from All Chevy Performance. We're getting ready to do a vintage air install in our 67 Chevelle.
Let's do it.
Yes, enough said. All right, so Louis out there wrapping up the Trinary switch wiring. He's already done all the AC lines, condenser, the dryer. And while he was doing that, I was inside hanging the evaporator. Control panel is all wired in, and instead of running cables like it came with, we actually ran the servos that comes for vintage air. Now it's all electronic, you calibrate it, much cleaner install. One thing we did differently, vintage air supplies factory style vents that you drill into your dash. I didn't want to do that, so we did some of the plastic under dash mounts. That's an option. They have all different varieties, different registers, different vents in aluminum and plastic. So that's the option we went with. To me, it gets me away from drilling these big giant holes. And if I was going with more of a period correct install, I probably would have drilled the holes, but in our case, we went with this option. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope this helps out. Go get yourself a vintage air kit. Want to stay up to date on all of our latest videos? Make sure you hit the subscribe button below, then tap the bell icon. That way you get notified with any new content. And of course, head over to classicperform.com. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call or shoot us an email, and one of our knowledgeable sales reps will be happy to help. And if you have any ideas for tech installs or tips, drop a comment. Thanks for watching.